Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can group by the data. So to group by the data, click on the group by icon, select the field name on which the data need to be grouped. Let's suppose we select current category and I apply it. Now the data will be grouped on the base of a current category. Like we have three categories here: client, ex-customer and prospect. So now it has grouped the data as per the three categories. So here I can see all the 14 accounts which comes under client category. For ex customer we have 4. We can see the data. And to reset the group by, click on the reset. It will reset the data. The most important thing here is group by functionality only works on the field values which are, or column values which are visible on the list view. So to make any field value visible on the list view, go to actions, click on settings. Here under list, select the field name you want to make visible and then save it. That field value will be visible here. Thank you.